Welcome everyone. You may be wondering, can you remove the screen protector in Z Fold 4? And the answer is yes you can, but there are some caveats. First of all, take a look at this. This is from the phone when you set it up. If I zoom in here, you can see, don't remove the protective film on the main screen or apply another filter, as doing so can damage your screen. That's what Samsung says. The facts are, if you get your fingernail, you pry it by the edges, you can remove the screen protector as long as you're careful not to actually poke the display behind it. Some YouTubers do it. I'm not going to do it in this video. Some people got really mad at me, but I'm returning this phone in 14 days. If I remove the screen protector, they're going to deny my return. On top of that, removing the screen protector isn't worth it because the screen protector has the same feeling as the screen behind it. So if your screen protector gets damaged, Samsung can repair it for £20. If the actual screen gets damaged, Samsung can repair it for £400. So don't remove the screen protector. It's there to protect the actual screen itself. It feels the exact same. That is just something to keep in mind. Some people got mad at me with my Z Flip 4 video. I don't get that. The screen is the same. It feels the same. So just don't remove it, you know. So I'm just saying, don't want to break my phone. Don't want to lose my warranty return. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.